Okay, this is a tough question. You just need confidence really to be able to plug in, use the formulas from the front of the book, but use them with letters and just hold your disbelief a little bit and just see where it takes you. So the first thing is we know that this total surface area, okay, is total surface area. It's this value here. And so we're going to need to create an equation. The total surface area of the is given by this formula here. Well, first of all, the total surface area is curved surface area is pi r/l. So curved bit in our case is pi curved bit is pi r/l. Now r is 5a. So that's 5a. And we don't know what L is. Okay. Then we've got a flat bit at the bottom, which is this bit here. And that's given to you by pi r squared, area of a circle. So that would be pi times 5a squared. Important to use the brackets here, so we'll square the 5 as well. Okay, and that's all supposed to be equal in our question to 360 pi. So not too bad, except for the fact is I don't know what the slanting side is here. Well, we'll do something similar we did with the previous question, and that is think of the right triangle here, where this is 5a, okay, and we know that this distance here is 12a. So if I use Pythagoras, I can say that the short side, 5a, plus the other short side, 12a, is equal to the hypotenuse, the big side opposite the right angle, squared. Sorry, not 12a, that's 12a. This is the one that we're looking for, okay, we'll call it L. So what I've got is 5a squared plus 12a squared is equal to L squared. Now if I do, by the way, it looks like I'm only squaring the a, which is bad because I'm squaring everything. Okay, so what you've got is 25a squared, okay, plus 144a squared. And if you do 25 plus 144, you get 169 a squared, okay, and that is equal to L squared. Now to get L, I need to square root, and when I square root, okay, I can square root this one separately to this one, and if I do that, square root of 169 is 13, and square root of a is a. I find out that L is equal to 13a. So now I can put that back over here. So this distance here is now calculated to be 13a. So I've got pi times 5a, and that is 13a, plus pi times 25a squared. Just squaring the 5 out and the a squared out. This gives me 5 times 13 is 65, so I get 65 pi a squared and 25 pi a squared, which gives me 80. Oh, it doesn't, it gives me 90. 90 pi a squared, okay, and that's equal to 360 pi. Okay, from this part up here. So here we've got that, and therefore we should be able to work out what a squared is. So if I do if we can cancel, divide by 90 pi both sides. Okay, we're going to get pi's cancelling. 360 divided by 90 is 4. Okay, and so we get a squared is equal to 4. That makes a square root of 4. which is just 2 in this case, because we're going to have we're dealing with lengths, and having a negative length makes no sense. Okay, so ignore -2. Ignore -2. Okay, the volume of the cone is k pi squared. Okay, so the volume of the cone is given to you by the formula 1/3 pi r squared h. And so V is equal to 1/3 k pi, r squared is 5a squared, and h is 12a. But now we know that a is 2, so that gives you equals 1/3 pi. This would be, if that's 5 times 2 is 10, that's going to be 100. And I know that this is 12a is 24. Okay, so I think I'm going to get 1/3 of 24 is 8, so 800 pi. 1/3 8 pi. That is equal to V, and they told us that is equal to k pi. So k pi cm cubed, and therefore k is equal to 100. Oh, sorry, 800.